How money is created. Cat sits, cat watches, man walks into bank. No money. Face tired, walks out. Face calm, hands empty. Phone buzzes. Loan approved. Nothing entered. Nothing left. But something changed. Cat pauses. Very simple question. If nothing was given, what did he receive? Humans say, money is printed. Nice, simple. Feels correct, but cat watches. No cash, no coins. Tap, tap, tap. Numbers move. Money moves. But money is not there. So cat asks, if money is printed, why does most money never exist? Morning, salary appears. Afternoon, rent disappears. Evening, card charged. No money moved. Only numbers changed. Cat realizes money is not paper. Money is numbers. Numbers in accounts. And numbers can be changed, created, deleted. Back to man. Loan. $20,000. Before, $500. After, $20,500. Where did $20,000 come from? Not from another person, not from a vault, not from savings. It appeared. That money did not exist. Now it does. Loan equals money creation. Most people believe bank takes deposits, gives loans. Feels logical, feels safe, feels wrong. Reality, bank gives loan. Money appears, then system adjusts, not before. After, this is uncomfortable because it means money is not fixed. Cat enters coffee shop. Owner wants to expand. No savings. Takes loan. Boom. Chairs appear. Machines appear. Workers paid. Suppliers paid. Money spreads. One loan. Many incomes. Money creates activity, not paper. But wait, now owner owes $20,000 plus interest. System created $20,000, but expects more back. Where does extra money come from? Answer, more loans, more money, more expansion. Watch this carefully. Loans create money. Money creates activity. Activity supports repayment. Repayment needs more money. More money needs more loans. This is not random. This is a loop. And loops don't like stopping. If money is created like this, why isn't everyone rich? Cat watches. Money enters system, but not equally. Money enters through banks, corporations, big borrowers. They get it first, use it first, invest it first. By the time it reaches others, prices have moved. Person A gets money early, buys assets cheap. Person B gets money later, buys same assets expensive. Same system, different timing, different outcome. People say, I'm earning more, but also say, I'm falling behind. Both are true because money increased, but value shifted. Now it connects. Loans create money, interest controls money, inflation reshapes money. One system, not separate. So question changes. Not what is money? Not where does money come from? Real question. Who gets it first? Worker earns $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. Looks good, feels wrong. Rent rises. Food rises, life rises. Developer gets loan, buys land early, builds, sells later, at higher prices. Same money, different timing. Advantage created. Credit card, buy now, pay later. Feels easy. Not free, it is future money pulled into present, with interest. What if borrowing stops? Loans stop, money slows. If money slows, spending slows. If spending slows, economy slows, so system pushes borrow, spend. Repeat, money is not just money, it is access. Early access equals advantage. Late access equals pressure. Cat doesn't react, cat doesn't panic. Cat understands. Money is not rare, money is created. Money flows, money follows a path. So final question, do you understand how money moves, or are you just chasing it? And one more question. Quiet, uncomfortable. When money is created, why are some people always closer to it than others?